Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wanting to make your Figma designs stand out with custom fonts, but weren't sure how to get those fonts into Figma itself, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the complete process of adding new fonts into Figma. Whether you want to use stylish, unique typefaces for branding, presentations, or just to give your next project a little extra flair. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get any font you love into Figma and start using it right away. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first. We need to make sure Figma has the right tools to access fonts installed on your computer. So open up your browser and head over to figma.com/downloads. Here you'll find the downloads page where Figma offers what's called the Figma agent. Now, since I'm working on Windows today, I'm choosing the Windows version of the download, but Mac users, don't worry, you'll see that option too. Go ahead and download the Figma agent installer. This is a small helper app that essentially acts as a bridge between the fonts on your computer and your Figma projects in the browser. Without it, Figma won't be able to see those local fonts. Once that installer is downloaded, click to run it. The installation process is pretty quick and straightforward, just follow the prompts, and you should be up and running in less than a minute. If you get any pop-ups about permissions or security, just confirm or allow, since this is official software from Figma. With Figma agent installed, the next step is to actually get a new font. Open up Google, and this is important. When you're searching for fonts, always look for fonts that are either open source or non-copyrighted to avoid any licensing issues. For this example, type non-copyright fonts into Google. You'll see a list of sites, but I recommend selecting FontSpace. It's a super user-friendly website that offers tons of free fonts for both personal and commercial use. Browse through FontSpace and pick a font that catches your eye. Maybe you want something handwritten, bold, or playful, whatever fits your design personality. Once you find your favorite, just hit the download button. This will usually give you a zip file containing the font files. Next, you'll want to extract that zip file. Right-click on it and select Extract All or use your preferred extraction tool. Don't worry if this seems new, it's just unpacking the files so you can access them. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see the font files themselves, usually files ending in TTF or OTF. These are the files you'll actually install on your computer. Double-click the font file, and in the preview window that opens up, you'll see an Install button at the top. Click it, and that's it. The font is now part of your system font library. Now there's one more step that's easy to miss but super important. You need to refresh your browser. Since Figma runs in the cloud, it sometimes needs a little nudge to recognize any changes you've made. So just hit refresh on your Figma tab or close and reopen your browser if you want to play it safe. Back in Figma, create a new text box, and in the font dropdown, start typing the name of the font you just installed. Sometimes it takes a moment to appear, but once it shows up, select it and start typing. Your new font is now ready to use in your Figma designs. It really is that simple. And there you have it. Now you know how to bring any new font you love into your Figma projects, unlocking a whole new world of creative possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups along the way, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Of course, make sure to subscribe for more practical design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.